What is up, guys? I am Stock Sniper Mike, and we're back again with another weekly Watchers Watch List. Let's dive in. We got about 10 stocks here on the weekly Watchers Watch List. Smaller list here because last week was a slower week, and August seems to be a slower month. When there's slower things out there, you don't have to go out there and rush, go for something. It's better off to stay patient, wait. There are always going to be more opportunities next month coming up. But let's dive in. We're going to dive into the Stock Snipers app. And when you log in, we'll go to the watch list tab. And in the watch list tab, you'll see that weekly Watchers watch list. And here we got our 10 stocks that we're eyeing down, 4 OTC stocks and 6 listed stocks. So we'll start with the OTC stocks, then we'll dive into listed. We're going to start with GTII. GTII tried to make a first green day last week, but it continues to hold 60 cents long-term support. Now we're looking for a pop above 70 cents. If it's able to do that, we're going to look for the first green day there. ABML is an EV-related stock. Another one of those stocks that's came down to long-term support of 56 cents. Looking for it to hold that spot and then get a push and continue to run there. The next one is ENZC. ENZC, we're looking for a multi-month breakout. Now, this one is slowly trickling up. Not really getting good volume, but moving its way up from 3 cents to 4 cents, and 5 cents is multi-month breakout. If it gets around that 5 cents area, that's where we'll look to play this breakout play. And the last and certainly not least OTC stock is BDPT. This is a sub-penny stock, so you literally have to cut a penny in half to play this kind of stock. It's all the way down to 004. 0043 is the breakout. Looking for it to hold that 004, come back to 0043, and break out there to start the new week. And now we got the listed stocks. Listed stocks have a little more opportunity recently. OTC stocks have been ice cold, especially in this freezing cold market of August, even though we're in the summer trading. Fall trading should get a little better. So we always say it's the calm before the storm, and that's what this looks like. AMC is the first one we're going to go over for listed stocks. This is that meme stock that everyone knows about, the movie theater that went crazy during COVID times, and now it is all the way down to all-time lows. So if you're bag holding this stock, you are officially down from after that crazy run that happened way back. It's now making all-time lows after creating a reverse split, going from $40 down to $12.40. $10 is a key spot for a lot of stocks. We'd love to see this come down to $10 and get a spike off of that. Listed EV stock MULN. Now this stock is special because it's our most profitable stock of the year so far, and it's an ugly stock. Not a big fan of long-terming, would never recommend it. But when they do get pops, they tend to pop pretty nicely. So we're looking for that big pop in MULN. Looking for the possibility that it spikes back to that $1 spot. 55 cents seemed to be that bottom, so looking for a bottom at 55, then a spike to $1, and that would be a nice move there in MULN. 100% move, and that's what we're looking for in MULN in this upcoming week. If they don't get to $1 by next Tuesday, they're actually going down to an OTC stock. The next one is going to be Rite Aid. Rite Aid is our first stock we've ever profited off of all the way back in 2013. Now, this stock is creating multiple downward days after coming out with news that they are going to file for bankruptcy because there are lawsuits that they're going in through opioids, unfortunately. Looking for Rite Aid to make a bounce. We'd love to see it panic some more. I mean, it had one big red day on Friday. Love to see one more panic day and then a red to green move where we could potentially take advantage of a first green day. The next one is TTOO. TTOO is another recently big running penny stock, but now it's coming back down. Now, we don't want to just jump the gun on a stock that's coming back down. What you want to do is find some support. We don't know exactly where the support's going to be, but once it does create or form this week, we're going to look for that red to green move in TTOO. Now, we got a first red day short, the only short that's on the board here, and that's GLG. GLG is literally spiking from 40 cents up above $1, and $1.30 is long-term support. If we can get rejected around 130, we'll look to short it. And last but certainly not least is HE. HE is the electrical company that got in trouble for the fire that happened in Maui. There's more news that continues to come out, dropping it lower and lower, but now we're looking for a big pop. When it does get momentum, it most likely is going to get a squeeze because how many days it's just been falling. Whatever comes down must go up. Whatever goes up must come down. Same thing in the stock market. Looking for HE to get a little pop in a first green day, and that's what we'll look to take advantage of it. that is 10 stocks there. But like I said earlier, don't go out and rush. Don't go out and buy anything if you don't think it sets up with a nice risk reward or has the volume. Stay patient in these times. Save your capital. There will be a lot more opportunities, but there's 10 of them right there. So maybe we can grab a bag in this upcoming week. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you back here next Monday. Peace.